Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to use the newly released feature for the Invoice Line Item Aggregation. This feature will allow you to aggregate multiple line items into one in a single click. Let's take a look. In this example, I am showing you an invoice that has multiple pages and a total of 8 line items. Often, accountants and bookkeepers we worked with ask us about the ability to combine all the line items into a single one in a quick and accurate manner. With the new feature and command to combine the lines, you are able to do that in a single click. Tofie will take all the line items, aggregate the unit price, total amounts, and tax amounts, and create a new single line item. This compressed version will create a new version of the invoice, then you can save or discard. Note that when you save the aggregated version, you won't be able to switch back to the extracted lines version. But nothing to worry, you can re-extract all the line items by simply clicking on Extract. As you can see, after extraction, you can come back to the extracted lines version. Remember, the extracted lines version of your invoice is based on the extraction made by Tofie on the basis of your knowledge base, supplier knowledge, and historical bills. So it is not necessarily 100% of the reflection of the exact number of line items that are in the invoices, but rather of the general aggregation rules that are applied in your knowledge base. You can make edits to the line items in the extracted items version, for example, changing a description, or even changing a total. When you do that, you can save. This will also update the combined lines by updating the totals and the amounts accordingly, and you can still switch in between the two versions to see that it is accurate. You can also make edits at the invoice level. These edits will be maintained if you switch over to the combined version. However, you won't be able to switch back to the extracted lines version until you save your changes first. So, we recommend editing invoice-level information first before making the decision on whether you're going to stick with a single aggregated line item or with the extracted line items version of the bill. We hope this video was helpful and have fun playing around with Tofu. Thank you for watching.